Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am planning to explore a forest near my house. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Just look at this place. With my friend. You know what my friend is? This is my friend. This is a blackberry and you can eat it as it is from the tree. There is a birdie. Hello birdie. Hi birdie. Look at the bird. Birdie. Fly away birdie. Look at this crystal place. And we are just in middle of a forest area somewhere near my house. This is one of a place near to my house. Just see the location. It's so wide and so big. It's on the way to a forest area. So we are planning to hike for around 1 hour. We will be going to this place where I'm pointing. So this might be the forest area we'll be planning to go, and it's around 1 hour trek. So guys, so we would be going from this place to this place inside the forest. Here we start the climb. The climb would be long, so but the mountain is not so high. It's a small mountain. So this is the climbing area that we came from. It's It's not that steep, but yeah, we have a lot of sweat now. Look at the path that we are going in. Seems wild. So this is the path that you want to take. So you can see it's a little bit steep. Maybe we are halfway through the trek. So we are climbing this way, as you can see. So I guess I have come to this place almost like 3 or 4 times with my friends. So it's just a fun place. If you have like a 2 hours of time, you can just come chill here and can feel refreshed. So it's really, I'm really thankful that I have such place just near my house. So my mom used to say that from childhood I used to carry a stick around. So I just want to like convey that I still have the stick along with me when I walk through the forest. So usually I do the sticks. I used to just beat the leaves like this. Entering the little bit deep part of forest, it's little bit dense on this side. Let me show you the view. It is a little bit dense. So even the path seems a little shorter. So I still have the stick with me. You can see. Look at the path that we are going. It's so beautiful. Oh God. Oh. Here's my friend Monish. So it's a bit of fun. Just for a change, you can just come to this forest and have a cool environment. It's mid of August and here it's almost sunny. So if you are here, it's a little bit cold and you get refreshed. Who is behind me is saying that, so is there any kind of tea shop or tea joint in the middle of the shop, because it's we're a little bit tired, so maybe we can get some refreshing snacks or like in India, like samosa or like chai or coffee for a break. But indeed there is nothing of this kind. As you can see the road that we are traveling. It's absolute hell. There is no one and it's silence. After the dense forest, we just came to the open area, which has a small view of the Barcelona city. So I don't think so you guys see the view. I mean, that is the main Barcelona city. And if I walk, and if I go towards this side, let me show you. So this side is a different part of city called Sabadell. So I think maybe I live here, or I think I live here besides this mountain, small mountain. It's my shadow. My shadow is walking towards my home back, and that's my friend's shadow. Look at the view, guys. And there is one of my friend who is beating the bushes. Yeah, bro. If you guys want to see what is beating around bushes, let me show you. The stick, and this is the bush. So we are like literally beating around the bushes. Here we are almost like you can see the top point of this trek. So it's like very sunny out here, and you can see the view around me. It's green and it's sunny. Yeah, and one fact is that people here say that there are no snakes or any reptiles, not reptiles, especially snakes in this forest. So there is no need of worry about snakes. So look at the view, guys. Yeah, it's sunny, I know. So let me show you the Barcelona city. So I am walking now. It's like our climb is over, and we are going back down. So this is, you can see, this is the city over there. We are going down, so this is the way going down. So you can see it's so green around. So even the stick is going down with me. So that is the, you can say, Badalona. Maybe after this particular mountain is the main city of Barcelona. You guys want to see the apple tree? So this is like a green apple. So as you can see, so it's apple all over here. I just came across a house that almost looks like a booth bangla. So just see, it's so creepy. I mean, the house over here. After the viewpoint, so we have come back to the normal area. I mean, after climbing, and we have come down, so we are back to a place where you can see, I mean, there's a bridge over here. So it is like a highway. So this highway is almost like, it's coming from the main city of Barcelona to, it's connecting to Sabadell. So let me show you the area. So this is like maybe a high-speed highway. There is like I think a speed limit of 120 or 150 km per hour. So you can see the highway over here. So this is Sabadell over here. It's a wonderful area. After the climb, it's very good. Just see. So maybe within an hour, sun is going to set. Check the contrast of the place. So you can see the mountains over here, the bridge, and to the contrast you can see a modern highway. And so this is a place called Cerdanyola, and over here, and this is like Ripollet. I mean, these are like two neighboring villages that is being separated by this highway. Just for information, the time here is 8 p.m. in the night. Look at the sun. I mean, it's still up and shining, bright and shining. So the road that I was saying before. So sun is still up over there. So I can feel the breeze upon my face, really. This is the way back to my home. So it's almost like sunset, and I am here almost at end of the hike. So you can just see, look at the view behind me, the mountains and a narrow road. And the friend is like picking up the blackberries and eating. So as I said before, you would have seen that you can get these blackberries very easily. And a lot of blackberries lying around on the narrow path. You can just see, I mean, these are the blackberries. I mean, right now it's not ripe. Let me show you maybe the black one. The black ones are really tasty. So let me plug that again. So these are the blackberries. And hey guys, so the hike has come to end, and so I am about to go home. So also it's getting dark. So I guess you guys enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel. Elson George. Bye.